Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Grammarly in your Word. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly. Just type in grammarly.com and click on Enter. Now you need to log in with your account. If you do not have a Grammarly account, you can sign up with a Google. After that, go to Apps section and you can see Grammarly for Windows option. Click on Install button. You will get a pop-up like this. Click on it. After that, your Grammarly setup will be started. Now you can sign up to your Grammarly account. A new window will appear like this. Click on Continue to Grammarly. After that, click on Open. You can see that you have been logged into your account. Now reload the website and you can see that Grammarly for Windows is active. If it is not working properly, you can just click on Reinstall button. Now open your Microsoft Word. Here, type anything you want. After that, you can see a red line here. Hover your mouse to it and click on it. Here, you can find Grammarly. You can also see the small Grammarly icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. So that is how you can install Grammarly on Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.